Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold, a name that carries a legacy of power, durability, and utility. After years of anticipation, Tata Motors has brought back the iconic Sumo with a modern twist, blending rugged performance with updated styling and features that suit today's needs. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold retains its bold and boxy silhouette, which is a signature of its tough SUV character. The front grille has been refreshed with a more aggressive design, complemented by LED headlamps and DRLs. The stance is muscular, and the ground clearance is impressive, making it ready for both urban roads and off-road adventures. Under the hood, the new Sumo Gold is expected to house a refined 2.2L diesel engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It delivers solid torque for load carrying in rough terrain while maintaining smooth highway performance. There's also buzz about a petrol variant and even a mild hybrid option, making it future-ready. Inside, the cabin has received a significant upgrade. The dashboard is more premium, with a touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and improved seating comfort. You'll find more legroom, better air conditioning vents for all three rows, and USB charging ports to enhance passenger convenience. Safety features have also been stepped up with ABS, dual airbags, and rear parking sensors coming as standard. One of the Sumo Gold's strongest points remains its practicality. It continues to offer high seating capacity, great for large families, rural transportation, or commercial use. The body-on-frame chassis ensures it can handle rough roads without breaking a sweat, which has always been a Sumo trademark. Tata has clearly aimed to strike a balance between nostalgia and modern needs with this launch. While the new Sumo Gold keeps the essence of its old-school toughness, it steps into 2025 with smarter features, a more refined engine, and improved safety, making it not just a comeback, but an evolution. If you're someone looking for a dependable, strong, and spacious utility vehicle with modern touches, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.